Alright guys, we're at Roost Vans. In this video we're going into a little bit of a deeper dive on our Fukit bed system, specifically the flip-up kit that is an accessory add-on to our Fukit bed system, which really is what makes our Fukit bed system so special. Right now I'm sitting on a 3-panel bed, and it's made of 3 panels. We also sell it as a 2-panel bed too, and that's just a little bit shorter. This 3-panel bed, you sleep front to back, otherwise known as north to south. This bed system is made out of our hex ply material. A little bit more of a value option for the Fukit bed system, and it has a flip-up kit installed on the front panel. Not everybody does the flip-up kit with our Fukit bed system. Most people do a flip-up kit on the front and a flip-up kit on the back. What you get with our flip-up kit with our Fukit bed system is this module right here. You have the spring that mounts into our rail and landing pad, and then the bed panel itself mounts to the flip-up kit. And what you get with that obviously is just a quick, it's pretty stiff, and that gives you the ability to quickly push the bed panel up and out of the way. Benefit to the flip-up kit is super access to your garage area. You can have a whole bunch of stuff under there. You can also install your bed system over your kitchen counter. And whenever you flip up your flip-up kit, you've just gained 24 more inches of usable countertop space. You know, all of the features are awesome. I'm having a hard time putting a priority on them. But on top of gaining more countertop space, on top of being able to look underneath and access your garage super easy, probably my most favorite feature, and that is the deep sofa. You have the ability to have a super deep sofa. I don't know about you, but this is freaking awesome. I personally enjoy it most because, well, when my spouse wakes up and starts cooking and coffee, the van's too small for 2 people to cook in. It's a camper van. But I can hang out and enjoy, well, getting a cup of coffee served for me. Now, on the back of the van, I talked about how easy it was to access your garage space in the front while you're inside the van. Well, nothing like accessing the garage space if the bed system is installed a little bit lower. Say you have bicycles or something in here, and you can just lift that and flip it up out of the way. And then you have a tremendous amount of access to get in to everything in your garage area. Now, we oftentimes put like L-track installation into the floor so you can strap and secure fork mount down bicycles without the need for a fully extendable drawer slide. Really, the flip-up kit eliminates that need and saves some money, gives you some additional features, and saves a little bit of headache of things getting trapped whenever you're pulling out a drawer slide. Now, a nice benefit of having the bamboo is that it's just a really good look whenever you flip up the bed system. All made out of our smooth rail mounting material. And what that gives you is just a tremendous amount of tie-down point opportunities underneath each section of your bed. On top of putting tie-downs and strapping like you're seeing here, we've also done a little custom type of work where we'll put a storage system for a felt line storage track for a Lagoon tabletop, and that slips right underneath the bed system as well. Some of the custom work we do at the shop, but DIY folks, man, the sky's the limit with what you can do with this stuff. It's compatible with Unistrut hardware that you can get from Home Depot. Our hardware and accessories that we sell on our website have been custom designed to really allow for much better clearances than typical off-the-shelf hardware will, but it's still available at Home Depot, and you can make that work however you need to, and kind of start building stuff together like Lincoln Logs in that way. So check us out at roostvans.com.